Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all have been a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. Any day above and not under, y'all. It's a blessed day. It's a blessed day. So y'all know what we gonna do? We gonna mukbang. Welcome back to my mama eating show with your girl Shana. Because it's time to eat. Okay. Y'all, I got a printer right there, so I don't even have to tell y'all, okay? Took it fresh.
It's a remake.
So, we did the Cheetos, what is it? Cheetos Lover Box. So, we gonna open it up.
We did Cheetos last time. It was a fail.
This is a whole different
so
experience. Man, yeah. So it comes with mac and cheese. That look kind of dry. I mean, that is a little bit of mac and cheese. It comes with the chicken nuggets, the Cheetos chicken nuggets. It look kind of dry and crusty, but it's okay.
Dang.
Potato wedges.
Always on point.
Yeah. And the lover. Look at that. How y'all doing? Oh my God, I'm childish.
Okay, put it on.
Okay. So y'all.
Take the thing out and put the food on.
So y'all. She over here trying to boss this. Tell her back up. Tell her to back.
That's not what I was saying. But anyway.
Tell her to back up. We got the food here. I'm about to show y'all what's going on. We're gonna experience this together. There she go, the star of the show. Let's take the care. They still
They sell again.
They got a little crunch. They're not as stale as the first one. Cause that was crunchy. Okay.
Boy, we just can't get it right. And this was not a different KFC.
Yeah, we went to a whole different KFC. So y'all see the nuggets. And then y'all don't need to see this. Because I'm pretty sure y'all tired of seeing that macaroni and cheese anyway. So I'm going to eat another potato wedge. Because that's like a good.
Can I get a nugget? Take that one there. Thank you very much.
So this box came out to $10.57. That's not bad, y'all. You can get all of this. So my drink is the Sweet Lightning. My mom decided to order this and try this again. So, yeah, we had to sit here off camera, y'all. Because I just had to know. She had to know. Is it different? It's definitely more enjoyable. But I think it's like a mango thing. Taste the mango even more now. Maybe it's just me. What you eating over there, Darn? She got her chicken, y'all. It's okay. I want to do this mukbang. Personally.
I'm feeding my face.
That's the only reason why she's not in front of you is because I said I'm doing it. I want a little fun.
It was a fight.
I know. She literally opened up the box. She was like, I didn't even check the food. She was like, okay, I'm gonna check. I said, just check it. I think I'm doing the mukbang now. No. This ain't what you want.
So you steady debating. I want to do it. I want to do it. I don't want to do it.
The reason why I'm debating is because I've been trying to change up my eating habits. So And so far it's been good because I lost 7 pounds. Bragging on myself. All I'm doing is just eating different though.
Eat the chicken now. You gonna fill up on the fries.
You know I don't like that.
I definitely tasted the Cheeto sauce on the nuggets.
The difference between this one and the one you got, I feel like the other one's bigger. My bad. Like, I don't know, this looks smaller than the one you had. Maybe I'm tweaking.
It was small too.
Yeah, this looks like a mini sandwich. Cause my mama had like it was a sandwich.
Look at all that food you got ready.
Yeah, I know. I'm not taking it from there. It's just, that's something that I noticed.
I didn't even see the lovers box at the other one. We didn't see the lovers box at the
I think this is no.
I don't think so.
Where? But this is actually really good this time.
It's not sweet. It's just refreshing.
That other one had a taste.
With nasty. I told you it was like the end of the soda. They needed to refill it.
Jerkwads. Those are my mom words. She always using like a wad. Or you like, she was like, you dweebs. like, lady, leave me alone. Shut up, dweeb. One. Foodie fam, came home talking about I'm going to go walking, y'all. You know, whatever. Trying to be fit. Trying to change my life, right? I go to the track. Track lockdown. Alright. I was like, I'm going to go home. I'm like, nope. I'm going to walk. I forgot about a park that was down the street from my house. So I go to the park. Family reunion. Then I go to the park like maybe 10 minutes from, not 10 minutes, I said like maybe about 5 minutes from that park. That park has a birthday party for a 98-year-old.
Damn, out in this heat?
I'm just like, Lord, why? I'm just like, you know what?
You should have came home and run up and down the stairs about 10 times. You been alright? You ain't gonna do that?
I ain't listening to her. Because she didn't want to come with me in the first place.
I do.
Well, my bad. My bad. But I told her, walking has nothing to do with your back like that. Let's keep your posture straight. You good. Keep walking.
Can I get a She's so stingy.
It's not MUKBANG interrupted.
You always interrupting mine. I can never eat in peace.
No cap. She just sat down and ate a good old amount of food.
That will stop playing.
That's what I mean with my mom. You gotta like eat fast. Mama,
these are good. Let it go. You see how you is with your food? I'm a
no, because you came in 2 times.
One time. Give me.
No.
Those are good. Those actually aren't salty. The last one.
No more.
Tea.
Okay. Y'all can talk about me in the comment section.
That's okay. I'm gonna snatch the box and run. She know I do it too. That's why she hanging on to that damn box.
Now I tell you, my mom is so petty when it comes to food. She is. I don't care what she has to say to defend herself.
That's a lot of nuggets. A little chicken tender. Chicken tender.
You just leave me alone. Bro,
these are really good.
She loves carbs. Give her a potato or rice or bread. Heaven. Even pasta.
Oh.
That's it, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what you get.
I just keep doing it.
Ooh.
I gotta snatch it.
That's ridiculous.
These taste like Cheetos. They're really greasy.
Okay. So, the sandwich.
You like it?
Yeah, I give it an 8 out of 10. It was good.
These little chicken tenders or whatever they are, they're really good.
Yeah, these are good. You get to really taste the flavor.
Yeah. To me, you taste it better on those.
Yeah. Because it's more, I guess, is what the sandwich you have like the bread and then the little mayo that they do on there and then the sandwich. So.
I'm glad we did this box over. Because the first one was a no-no.
I'm sorry, we will not be going back to that location. That's not bad. Yummy. I got my eyebrows done, y'all. Yes, these are all natural. Y'all know I got them bushy old eyebrows. I do that for a reason, so when I'm ready to, I can. Alright, I'm gonna eat a little bit of these mac and cheese. Ma, would you like the rest of these nuggets?
Yeah.
No, she just been snatching anyway. Like, you could have just waited and you could have just waited. No, I had to eat the potato wedges because she just disrespected me. Like, you're not gonna disrespect me. That's what we're not gonna do.
I'm gonna remember that.
No, don't remember nothing.
You talking about begging for my food.
No, the point is, she didn't beg. She came and she took. She didn't even ask. She just came, did her thing. Just thought I was supposed to be over. You disrespected me.
You already eat that dry ass macaroni. Shut up.
It's nasty.
That macaroni and cheese all the way up to there.
I mean, it's just, that's nasty, y'all. Look. My parents, I mean, not my parents, my mom loves to say how I eat anything, but I really don't. Because that macaroni and cheese is disgusting.
That's not me who said that. Not you. That's your brother and sister.
She say it too. She probably had a couple videos on here. She said, Shauna.
You like food?
I do. I'm a big foodie. I'm seriously a foodie fan. Like, seriously, at heart. But everything ain't right. And everything ain't nice. Alright. So, you can't be fooled. But you guys, thank you so much for tuning in with your girl. I will see you on the next one.
Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I forgot. I'm sorry.